Sa amin, no, palaging brown out. Magkano kaya ang flashlight? Mura lang siya. Ay, ang cute ng bottle. Ang ganda. 15? Ah, 15 real? Talaga? 15 real lang siya, oh. Balik. Dito na kayo, guys. Saan pa kayo? Ang gaganda. Ang mumura, oh. 39 lang siya. Nice.
Only 21.
Wow! Ikot. Ay. Oh my God! Ginabi kami! Oh! Oh, vlog. So this is Grand Mall. See, Grand Mall. We have car already. Oh my God. Okay guys, we're going back home. See you next episode. Next episode. Okay, just subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mary and Portia, at youtubechannel.com. Press the like button below. Okay guys.